ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಣಕಂ, अंदरिकी नमस्कारಗಳು. सबको मेरा प्रणाम. Good evening everybody. It's indeed a pleasure to be here. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಬಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು comes to my mind. I'm going to talk like Siddharth, one half line in English, half line in Telugu, half line in Kannada. I'm going to open a secret over here to Siddharth and my family, the whole family. One thing I never told during all the interviews, the very first 3 BHK that I bought in my life was in 45 Palace Road, Bangalore. ಅದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್, ಹೆಂಗೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದೇ ನನ್ನ ಇರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೂರ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸರತ್ ದುಡ್ಡು ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮನಿ, ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಅಮೆಝಾನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ ದ ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಸೊ ಮೈ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ when they see 45 Palace Road, Southern Investment Property, the first high-rise building in Bangalore, that stupid idiot bought that, sold it for my friends. For me, love is everything, affection is everything, I can always earn it back. That is hope. That is why we are all here for 3 BHK. That is the greatest hope. So I get ridiculed by my family every time I come to Bangalore. Daddy, shoot daddy, 45 Palace Road madhide and ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So I remember that to keep it in mind that I shouldn't do such stupid things. ನೀನು ನಾಲಾಗ ಅವಕೂಡದು అని చెప్పి ప్రభుకి చెప్పాను పిక్చర్. So our experiences will be shared in such a way that you should not follow everything that your dad does. We have gone through experiences, that is what we give it to our children. And this movie 3 BHK first, that is, thank Karthik who's not here, is in company, KRG, for releasing this film. I am very happy that Karthik is releasing this film, and because I've done films for him. And the only thing I like, my heart goes to Punit Avaru, because I worked a lot of films with him and I miss him. Actually I wanted to go to his house and meet Ashwini Garu, but I think today we might not have much time, but definitely I request our producer Arun Vishta, before the film releases, we go and pay our respects to Punit Avaru and his family. It will be very nice. And Dhananjayan and Hemant Rao, it's a pleasure that I have not worked with you, but I have worked a lot of films, and Siddharth, Devyani, Neeta, Chaitra. And this is about a family. Every family got Kanasundar. All of us will have a dream. And my life, for maybe Hemant Rao and Dhananjay may not know, Sharat Kumar is a Bangalore boy. I was born in Delhi. My first kelsa is Maridu, Bangalore ali Madide. And what did he do, Sharat Sir, ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿಗೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I was a cycle boy delivering newspapers in the streets of Bangalore. Then I worked in a cycle shop, Hero Cycles in OPH Road ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಆ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಶಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಲೂಧಿಯಾನ ಅಂತ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಫಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಜಾಬ್. ಅದು ಫಿಟ್ಟರ್, ಸೈಕಲ್ನ ಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನನ್ನ ಜಾಬ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅವತ್ತು, 1977. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮೈ ಏಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ 35. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಐ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಟಾಯ್ ಶಾಪ್. ದೆನ್ ಆನಂದರಾವ್ ಸರ್ಕಲಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಸ್ಟಾ ವಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಟೆಲಿವಿಷನ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Then of course I don't want to talk politics here. I would have made a killing in television sales during Asiad. I was selling black and white television, Solidar and Bush televisions. I thought I'll make a killing. I bought lot of sets, paid cash discount only. I bought it. Then our wonderful lady, the Iron Lady, then Prime Minister, late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, announced color televisions for 3,000 rupees. Because every black and white set that I had at that time was 5,000, 7,000, 10,000, 12,000. So the Anni closed chasey. I went back to Chennai. That is my life. So Bangalore is not new to me, and I have gone to all the streets. Even to Nodre, that time we didn't need fans, no air conditions. Because of industrialization, we need air conditions now. That is because of so much of things have changed. Everything has changed. Even I cannot travel on road Bangalore. I don't even know the places now, because the main street and Gottagutto, we have to see the girls, we have to go to Commercial Street, see the girls, we have to go to Brigade Road. Other meeting point, sorry, I have to tell the truth, I have to be transparent. So now I have become a 3HP head of the family, so I don't want to talk about it. So all my friends who are here, a lot of friends are here. Every time I come here, I try to meet them. Central Bank MBPC Mohan Avaru, a very, very, very close family to me. So this is my family. This is about B3 BHK. First of all, let me thank Arun Vishwa and of course our Sri Ganesh, the director. As like he said, is a sweet-hearted dictator. And Arun Vishwa, thank you for selecting me for this project. And initially I had few doubts about whether everybody Kanasunda, Leda, and Guttaglila. So how I'm mixing all the language. So I feel everybody will have a dream. So all of you here, like Siddhartha asked you, we would have seen failures in life. Many failures. Failures is just a stepping stone to success. You would have heard that proverb many a time. But in my life, I've seen many failures. I'm here, standing here, as you may call me Supreme Star, Sharat Kumar, 168 films, but I have seen the deepest of troubles I've been into, and I've again risen back. If I had a house in 45 Palace Road, if I retained it today, I could have sold it for minimum 45 to 50 crores. But that was not life. I wanted to see life the way I wanted to see it. It is my earning that I spent, not my father's money or my mother's money. So 3 BHK, I should of course thank Amrut for lovely music and Siddharth having some songs, and Devyani, Meeta and Chaitra and Sidhu. It's all great working with all of you, and it was a great experience. And only one thing we like to say as a team of 3 BHK, Prabhu, Aarti, Shanti and Aishu, that we as a family, we try to give the best. Everyone here would like to build a home, a roof above the head. Even if you don't have anything to eat, you don't have clothes to wear, you can lock your house and stay at home. That's the So if that dream, you dream big. You'll never be beaten when your efforts are there. Fight very hard. I have fallen from that height. You might think I'm exaggerating. I fell from that height. I broke my neck. There was a bone taken from my hip, placed in my C4, C5, and there are 2 plates and 4 screws. That means I'm basically and truly an Iron Man. I lost my voice. My right vocal cord is paralyzed, but I still scream and shout. So the doctor told me not to ride a cycle, not to ride a bike, not to even drive a car, not to look back and drive because my neck will become stiff. But I've done it all. And then I jumped at 10 feet higher than that from a movie called Mai to take the fear out of that. So failure is just nothing. It is just an experience that you go through in life. I've fallen many of the day. All of us can have houses, but to have a home is important. Siddharth, in many places, many of his interviews have very clearly said, but are they happy? Very small house, they'll be very happy. Rented house, they'll be happy. But when you build a house, make it a home. We have, as family 3 BHK, had made it a home. Whatever ups and downs that came in our life, came in our path, all the struggles, we stuck together. We stuck together for the only ambition of the father that I wanted to build a home, and they all stood with me to build a home, even when I became 80 years old. The only problem that we had in this film is they wanted to make me look old, so they have made me look old. So Arun Vishwa told me you have to look old. I said, I'm actually 71 years old. Why do you want to make older than that? I am old. So at 71, you are still making me older. I don't know why, but still. I said they wanted my hair to be bald. Maybe that is the idea that Arun has got. I don't know why. He wants to see me bald. It's okay. Even like Siddharth said, Siddharth, even after 25 years, I'll still act with you. So then the press will ask, how can you live 150 years? The mantra nan khel sir and khelta hai, then I'll tell them later. When Baba can live for 4,000 years, Sharat Kumar and Siddharth can live for 150 years. So that is what I'm saying. So we don't have much time, but I'd love to spend a lot more time with you guys. And we all have a flight to catch. And Bangalore, I've been living here. I've seen everything in my life here. Cycle start ಆಗಿ ಶುರುವಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ I can proudly say and happily say Bangalore gave me that stage to go up in life. All the failures I faced in Bangalore, and I've seen everything, and all over the country. We have no languages for films. Language is never there for films. We are all one family. The film fraternity is one. We as Indians can work anywhere in the country and be proud of your own mother tongue and be proud of other languages also. So I love you all, and thank you for Dhananjay, thank you for Hemant Rao, and thank you Kyadi to Yusuf Kabini. for Karthik as the compare. I don't know your name, and you're beautiful because that is my habit. I have to say it. I can't stop saying all that. That's only a compliment. Don't
Thank
take
you,
it as
sir.
a line.
Absolutely not.
You only told me to say that, didn't you? Hey, Siddharth, నువ్వే ಹೇಳ್ದಲ್ಲ? Hey, Chapra,
It's family. It's family.
he only told me to go tell her she's looking beautiful.
I hope it's true.
Shanti, I'm sorry. I've never said Thank you guys. Thank you so much for all the love and affection. And Nexus Mall for giving us this place. And all the love and affection for all the media and the press media. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಸುದ್ದಿ ಖಚಿತ, ನ್ಯಾಯ ನಿಶ್ಚಿತ.